Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I am a dermatologist practicing in Bangalore from the last 18 years. Here are my top expert dermatologist recommended tips for you to follow through 2024. Tip number one, healthy skin always follows a healthy body. So if you are going to not have a good healthy body by following the good advice of lifestyle management, by eating correctly, avoiding junk food, avoiding sugar, and by making sure that you're exercising regularly, this is the first most important lifestyle resolution that you have to take. And this not only helps your body stay younger and fitter, but also make your skin and hair much younger and fitter. The second resolution that you need to make this year for sure is to avoid the triggers that are going to damage your skin in the long run, especially sugar, fried food. They are known to accelerate aging, and smoking as well as excessive alcohol consumption is also going to age your skin very fast. You should also avoid very late nights very often, because melatonin, a hormone which is secreted at night, is very important for pigmentation and healing of the skin as well as for hair loss. So make sure that you get your adequate amount of sleep and make sure you are sleeping on time. The third tip for you today is to make sure that you get your basic skincare in place before you start adding additives. What I mean by this is that a lot of people are very excited about starting a vitamin C or a retinol or a hyaluronic acid or a niacinamide. But before these actives are added into your skincare routine, make sure you get your basics right. So make sure you know what is your skin type, what is the moisturizer, face wash and sunscreen which is most suited for your skin type, because this basic skincare will make sure that your skin stays hydrated and protected when you start your active treatments later on. The fourth tip that I would like to tell you is to never skip your sunscreen. Sunscreen is a very important part of skincare, and even if you don't get any other part of your routine right, if you use your sunscreen correctly, you are avoiding pigmentation, aging, fine lines, open pore development, and over a long run, you're protecting your skin from damage from sun as well as elements like cold air as well. This is something which I would insist, if you are not already using, use a sunscreen. If you're a person who is predominantly working indoors, very close to computer screens or under bright lights, you should definitely invest in a IR sunscreen as well, which protects you from visible light. So we know now that visible light also causes a lot of damage to the skin. So make sure that you have to have your sunscreen in place, whether you're working outdoors or you're working indoors. And the fifth tip, which I feel is very important, is in this age of digital media, we are getting bombarded by information from various sources. It could be Instagram, it could be YouTube, it could be any amount of digital devices that you use. Please always understand who is the person who is talking about skincare. Take advice from the right kind of people. Don't blindly follow influencers. If you feel that that product works for them, they are talking about their experience in only 1%. But a dermatologist with over 3 years of education in more than 3,000 kind of skin conditions is perfectly equipped to deal with all your skincare queries. So speak to a IADVL member, and I'm Indian Association of Dermatologists, is the National Association for Dermatologists, and a member of this IADVL is best suited to guide you in whatever skincare concerns you may have. Have a great new year 2024, and I wish you a very great, glowing, happy skin throughout the year.